we are going to watch a very important demonstration today that is about assignment and assignment operators. In R, assignment refers to the process of storing a value or a data object such as vector, matrix or function within a named variable. Assignment allows R programmers to save data in a variables for later use, enabling code reusability, organization, and efficient data manipulation. The assigned variables can then be called upon throughout the program, making complex calculations and data analysis easier to handle. R provides several operators for performing assignments. Each operator serves the same primary function, storing values in variables, but is used differently based on coding style and preference. The three assignment operators are leftward assignment, which starts with what we say less than sign and then dash. The other one is rightward assignment, which is one dash followed by greater than sign, and the third one is simple equal sign. So these are the three assignment operators. In most of the cases, we actually use the first one. People find it more convenient and useful, but you can use any one depending on your style. Very soon you will understand which one suits you better. So just to give you some example, let's say we want to assign 100 to the variable x. So let us type assign 100 to x. How can we do that? We can simply type x, then the assignment operator, and then 100. Normally, placing spaces between the operator and value and the variable makes the code more readable and good looking. So if I press Ctrl Enter now, you can see within the variable we have got one variable which is x and having one value which is 100. We can do the same thing. We can do the same thing actually, but this time I'm not going to use the variable x. I'll use another one. Okay, so that will be assign. I'll just copy it from here to y. Okay, we'll assign 200 to y actually. Okay, so that we can differentiate it. Anyway, so what we can do, we can type 200 first, then the assignment operator, the other one, and then y. If I press Ctrl Enter, you can see we have got another variable, okay, in the R environment. Now the third one, assign 300 to z. So how can we do that? We can use the third assignment operator of our discussion. So this is possible to do by using this method. Z is equals to 300. Note the position of the variable and the value. If you use equal sign or the left-right assignment operator, your value will be placed at the right side and the variable will be placed at the left side. But the opposite will happen if you use the right-right assignment operator. So now if I press Ctrl Enter, then you can see Z is also shown in the environment. In all these three examples, the values are assigned to three variables, x, y, and z. So all these three operators are actually acceptable in R, but generally preferred one is the left-right assignment operator because it is claimed to be more convenient by most of the people. I hope you have understood. Thank you very much.